Let's understand the meaning of the term bonus share. Bonus share, a free allotment of shares made in proportion to existing shares out of the accumulated reserves. ठीक है, देखिए समझने वाली बात ये है, आप यू आर अ शेयर होल्डर इन अ कंपनी, ठीक है, से फॉर एग्जांपल XYZ लिमिटेड, यू आर अ शेयर होल्डर ऑफ दिस कंपनी XYZ लिमिटेड. नाउ लेट्स सी इट्स बैलेंस शीट. ठीक है, बैलेंस शीट में देखते हैं अपन, तो एक तो हो जाती है लाइबिलिटी साइड, एक हो जाती है एसेट साइड. ठीक है, you have issued and subscribed capital, paid up capital, issued, subscribed and paid up capital यहाँ पर है. तो जितने भी number of shares you must have issued, उस हिसाब से accordingly you will be having some figure here. Then you also have reserves and surplus. Let's understand it very in a light manner what exactly are bonus shares. So what happens is the company issues bonus shares to its existing shareholders on a record date. Whomsoever is shareholder in the company on a particular date receives the bonus shares. So existing shareholders को bonus shares होते हैं allot, and that too free of cost. That means no money is taken from the bonus shareholder, from the existing shareholders to give them these additional shares. Now these additional shares are being issued in some ratio. For example, 5:1. That means whomsoever is holding 5 shares of that company will get one bonus share, or 10:1. That means whomsoever is holding 10 shares will be getting one bonus share without taking any additional money. Now try to understand, when it's a sort of inter adjustment into the balance sheet. Issuing of bonus shares is just an inter adjustment into the balance sheet. When the company is not taking any money, then what inter adjustment is it doing? Whatever amount is there in the reserves and surplus is getting reduced. जितने भी रुपए के बोनस शेयर्स आपने इशू किए, उतने रुपए का अमाउंट आप रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस में से कम कर देते हैं, और since you are issuing those shares, so that amount is getting increased here into the issued, subscribed and paid up capital. तो this is a sort of inter adjustment. पैसा यहाँ से कम होके यहाँ पर बढ़ रहा है, और बैलेंस शीट की टोटल एट द एंड ऑफ द डे सेम ही रहती है. ठीक है, so in this way it's a sort of inter adjustment. Now let's understand it theoretically as well. A free allotment of shares made in proportion to exiting shares out of accumulated reserves. How? You have understood. A bonus share does not constitute additional wealth to the shareholders. It merely signifies a recapitalization of the reserves into equity capital. How? This I have shown you into the balance sheet. However, लेकिन अब practically आप इसका देखें implication. So, however, the expectation of bonus shares has a bullish impact on the market sentiments, and it causes the share prices to go up. That is a separate thing, that after the issue of bonus shares, वो share price अपने आप को additional shares के लिए market में कहीं ना कहीं adjust कर लेती है. ये practically देखने में आया है. But एक बार तो with the issuing of bonus shares, prices बढ़ती जरूर हैं of the script of the company which is issuing the bonus shares.